Good day all. Today's recipe is on snake gourd kootu, a protein and mineral rich recipe. The ingredients required to prepare the kootu. Now we'll see the steps. Take 200 gram of snake gourd and 50 gram of moong dal. Wash and soak the moong dal for 15 minutes. Cut the snake gourd after de-seeding into smaller pieces. Now to the soaked moong dal, add the cut vegetables, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 3 pinches of asafoetida and mix well. Now add a half a teaspoon of cooking oil so that it cooks well. Now the dal and the vegetable is cooked well and it's ready to make the kootu. For grinding, a handful of grated coconut, 1 teaspoon of jeera, 2 garlic pods, 4 red chilies and few curry leaves. Grind it without adding water into a rough paste. Keep a kadai on flame, add 1 teaspoon of cooking oil and for tempering add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of urud dal and few curry leaves. Once the seeds get fried off, add the cooked dal and the snake gourd. Add half a tumbler of water and add salt and the grinded coconut masala. Let it get cooked for 5 minutes so that the raw smell goes off. And now the tasty kootu is ready. It pairs well with the rasam and KAARAKULAMBU. Thank you.